Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an
Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I got these beautiful plants, and these are Marble Pothos, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Does not say anything on the pot, but I got it at a very reasonable rate. So, and I wanted these anyways. Let's see how many plants can I get from this now. Usually when you buy something like this, it has usually more than one plant. So let's see how it goes. Wow, it was really dry. It is really dry. Wow. Okay, so I got quite a few plants. That's one big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I got 5 plants right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them here for now in water and let them grow. They're already rooted, so they will just grow hopefully fast enough. Okay. Just make sure that you don't. Okay, here, this is the dilemma one. Okay, let's do that after that. Yeah. This kind of looks like a good candidate. This one and most probably this one also. These two are good candidates for making some moss pole or something like that. So I can make them climb on a pole. But this one, okay, here, this particular leaf, if you can see, is okay, I'll show you. And this one, okay, this one. As you can see, it has this part, plus it is cut over here. So most probably this is not going to survive. So I may be able to, the best thing I should be able to do is cut it off from here, take off the leaf, and leave one leaf only on it. So let's see. Sorry, buddy. Okay, it's only one leaf. And we'll put that also in here. For now. I may transfer it to another single bottle or something. Actually, I do have this beautiful bottle. And I can use it to... yeah, this looks much better. Yeah, so this way, the leaf is outside, only the roots are in, and I think it looks good. So, okay, I'll leave this like that. So, these are the ones we are going to do. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so you can be notified for all my videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.